Hi children, in this video exercise number 4 under chapter 11 with the topic calculation of distance, speed and time we are going to see. That is, to find the speed, the formula is used, speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. That is, to find the speed, distance covered divided by time taken, and to find the distance, the formula is used as distance covered is equal to speed into time taken. So to find the time taken, distance covered divided by speed. So these are the three formulas. So using these three formulas, we are going to find the required speed, distance and the time taken. So let's get into the sum. So if you take first example, a bus covers the distance of 250 km between two cities. The cities are not mentioned here. We will assume as A, B. These are the two cities. To travel from A to B city, total distance is 250 km. And the time taken to cover this distance is 5 hours. That is, here distance 250 km is given. The time taken to cover this distance is given. 5 hours is given. So the question is asked to us, what is the speed of the bus? So we are going to find the speed of the bus. Okay, what is the formula to find out the speed? Just now I told, no? Distance covered by the bus divided by time taken. So the distance covered is 250 km divided by 5 hours. So if you do division, so 5 5s are with adding 0. So 50 into 5 you will get 250. So the answer is 50. So this 50 is your answer, which can be written as speed is equal to 50 km per hour. Okay, if the bus travels per hour 50 kilometers, it can reach the destination with 250 kilometers from the city A to B. Okay, so with the second example we'll go. Second example sum. A car is going at a speed of 100 km per hour on the Yamuna Expressway. What distance will the car travel in 1.5 hours? That is, here if you take the speed of the car is 100 km per hour. That is, for 1 hour the car is traveling at 100 km. In what hour? That is, the time taken for that 100 km per hour is 1.5 hours. So what will be the distance? Okay, if the car travels 100 km per hour for 1 hour, if it is traveling 100 km, for 1.5 hours, how many distance it will cover? That is the question. So we are going to find the distance. So what is given to us? Speed is equal to 100 km per hour and the time taken is equal to 1.5 hours. So we are going to find the distance covered. So distance is equal to speed into time taken. Okay. So now the speed is 100 into the time taken is 1.5 hours. So here this 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. First I'll convert them into improper fraction. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 2. Okay. So now if I do this cross cancellation, that is we have done in the fraction chapter, no? The same way. So 2 1s are 2 50s are, you will get 100. So that now 50 by 1 into 3 by 1. So it can be 50 into 3. What you will get? 150 by 1. So any fraction which has 1, you can treat it as the numerator as whole number. So 150 kilometer. Okay. The distance is 150 kilometer. Okay, we'll go with one more example to find the time taken. So third example is, if Ram is able to run a distance of 7 kilometer at the speed of 28 kilometer per hour. That is, for 1 hour 28 kilometer is covered with the speed, and if the person is running with 7 kilometer, how many time of what is the time he will take to cover this 7 kilometer is the question asked. Okay, so the distance is given 7 kilometer. The speed is given 28 kilometer per hour. So we are going to find the time taken. With how many hours and minutes the 7 kilometer can be reached. So what is the formula to find the time taken? Distance covered by speed. Okay. So what is the distance covered? 7 kilometer. What is the speed? 28 kilometer per hour. So simply if you write 7 by 28, you can do cancellation. No, 7 1s are 7, 4s are is 28. 7 4s are is 28. No, so 1 by 4 will be the answer of hours. The time is can be written as 1 by 4 hours. Time taken is equal to 1 by 4 hour. Okay. Thank you, children.